Again, and we're back at a recreation. Today we are going to be recreating a Ann Pro makeup art look. On Instagram, please do so. Her art and the way that she used color variations and not using lashes, her art is just mwah. It's very, very beautiful and very, very blended, and we are just going to attempt to recreate this look today. So as you guys know, I love the Louise bases. Today we're going to be taking the blue shade and we're going to apply that on my lid, and then what we're going to do is blend everything out with my finger. Then once everything's blended out with my finger, we're going to go in with the first palette. This is from Kandi, her Fetish palette, and we are going to be using the shade Obsession. It is a more dark blue. I know on the picture it's purple, but today I wanted a dark blue shade. And we're going to just use a nice fluffy brush and apply the eyeshadow all over the entire concealer. The next palette we're going to be diving into, this is the Kandi 10th anniversary palette, and I do know this is also a limited edition. We're going to go in with this gorgeous royal blue shade here, and we're going to use a small, flat, dense brush to apply it to the edges of the blue Obsession that we just used, and then we're going to blend everything together. Once everything's been blended together, we're now going to hop in and create our halo eye. We are now going to be using the white concealer. This is Rumor, and we're going to pop it right in the middle of my lid. We're going to look up, and then we're going to create a halo eye off of that. The reason why I look up is because I have hooded eyes, and because I want to make sure that the color pops through over my crease, I need to ensure that the concealer is slightly above my original crease line. And we're just going to continue using it using the flat side of the brush, and we're then going to pat at the edges so that there's no harsh edges of the concealer on our eye. Now we're going to go in with the next color. We're going to be using our pigment. This is Sky Blue. We're using that same small brush, and we're just going to press the pigment onto the white concealer. And then to really get at the high points of the concealer, we're going to be using a small flat brush, and we're going to apply the pigment using that same brush. Now with that same brush, we're going to go in with the Kat Von D La Fleur color, and we're going to go in between the pigment and also the Obsession color and place that blue shade right in the middle and blend at the both ends. I really want to create a more seamless color, like kind of like a more gradient. And then we're just going to continue blending. Next, we're going to take this nice blue shimmery shade, and we're going to use our finger, and we're basically just going to press that in the middle of the lid. And then I'm going to go back in again and just blend everything together. And then we're going to go back to the Fetish palette. We're going to take Obsessive, Cuffs, and Chastity, and we're going to place it on the middle of the eye as well. Now for the inner glitter, we're going to be using Oh She's Sparkly in the inner corner of our eye, and we're just going to use that same brush we used earlier and just apply it into the inner corner. And now that we have that done, our next step is to go ahead and apply the waterline color. Now I don't have colored mascara, so what we're going to do is we're going to just improvise. I'm going to place the same white concealer on my waterline using that same flat brush from earlier. And then we're going to use our pigment Tangerine Soda, and we're going to place that directly onto the white concealer. We're going to pat on some mascara, and that is literally the entire look. I honestly think we just failed on this thing. I feel like we just bombed. It doesn't look exactly the same, but yeah. Let's go back to that video, guys. Alright guys, well thank you so much for checking out this makeup tutorial. I really like how this eye look came about. I know that the original look was more of a original eye shape look, but I wanted to create a halo eye in this particular just because I love halo eyes. They really are a great way to give your eye look a nice pop in the middle, and that's exactly what I wanted to capture. Blue is my favorite color, and the opposite color of blue is orange, so I thought I'd pop orange in on our waterline. We used, again, 2 pigments from our collection. This is Sky Blue, and then the orange shade is called Tangerine Soda, and then the glitter we used today from our collection is actually called Oh She's Sparkly. Is she not sparkly? Hello. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys enjoyed this whole tutorial. Eye look came about. It really was fun to create, and it really is bold. I just want to bring out the neon and bring out that color vibe and whatnot. So I'm really glad it came out really well. It turned out pretty darn great. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your guys' love and support. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching, guys, again, and you have a great day. Peace.